What is good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today I got an early morning POV for y'all because I haven't done one in a minute. I was just cutting up with a Challenger, then I fucking missed my exit. That's why I even turned the camera on, because I was cutting up. So I'm finna make this UE, and then hopefully I can catch back up to bro, because he was acting bad. I ain't gonna lie, he was acting hella bad. But I hope y'all enjoy this POV. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, bro. Thank y'all so much for all the support. And yeah, I was supposed to go to the track yesterday, but I got caught up. Got caught up doing some shit, so I well, not really even caught up. That hoe was just an hour away, and I wasn't finna go an hour away at 9:30 at night, just so I can get there at 11. So I didn't end up going, but, and of course, if I done been to the track before, so if I would have, if my car would have been, I didn't even tell y'all about it. So I did end up messing up my car, my charger. Oh man, poor bumper, bro. I can't even. Oh man, bumper down, bro, bumper down. I knew I should have stayed look at I need that. Damn, now I need new fog lights. I ain't even finna grab them hoes like that, I did end up messing up the charger. This nigga tripping. Well, shit, he did it, so why can't I do it? Yeah, so I had hit a crazy pothole the other day in the charger, and it pushed my radiator and my radiator fans back, so it's all like wedged together. So I just got to get a new radiator and the brackets for it, and then I'll be fine. But I'm gonna probably go pick that up today. I might record that actually whenever I go pick it up, because the dude who has it, he has a lot of stuff at his shop. So I might go record that whenever I go pick it up. But for now, we in the 300. We back in the 300 again. Just for right now though, just until damn, look at 12. Just until the charger get back right. But other than that, shit, that's really about it. Chrysler been doing good. Finna do I might do an oil change on her too. So I might do an oil change on the Chrysler too. Not might, it need an oil change, so I'm probably definitely gonna end up doing that today. I didn't do it yesterday. If you see, I got all the oil right there, the oil filter right here. So I was gonna do that yesterday, but didn't get to it. Anyways. Always keep your head on the swivel. Never know where 12 at. Never know who coming up. make it very clear. 2 years ago was nobody doing this shit. 2 years ago, whenever I was doing my, really a whole year ago, whenever I was recording my POVs, nobody was cutting up, bro. Nobody was cutting up, bro. Only big boy SRT.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
I ain't even gonna get into it, bro. I ain't even gonna get into it. I'ma just say it like this. It's the best time to cut up, I ain't gonna lie. In the morning, whenever it's traffic, but not too much traffic. I hate whenever it's so much traffic. I don't even like cutting up whenever it's a lot of traffic, bro. I will. Don't get it fucked up. I will. I will start acting bad. Do I like to do it? No, I don't. I could do some crazy shit. Probably like 25 degrees out.
It's freaking freezing in here.
Nah, it's not that cold. Let me chill. It's cold as hell outside though, and then my heater don't work, so my hands are freezing. I ain't gonna lie. My hands is freezing cold. I hope y'all can see pretty good. I didn't really get to check the camera before I put it on. I just put that bit on my head. Yeah. Nigga stopping. Nigga on his brakes in the middle of the road. Little shit like that blow me. I ain't gonna lie. That's the type of shit that get you revved up. That type of shit that I hit it whenever I pass you. You going to jail. You going to jail. Cause why is you? Dang, bro. I done broke the Scat. I ain't even have it 3 days, bro. I ain't even had a Scat 3 days. I done broke that vid. Bro, I'm glad I didn't record that day. That shit was so embarrassing. I ain't gonna lie. That shit was hella embarrassing. Whole bumper gone. I don't have no bumper no more, bro. My bumper broke too. I didn't mention that, but nigga, if the radiator pushed in, the bumper pushed the radiator in. You know what I'm saying? And the bumper was aftermarket, so it was damn near looking that brittle black plastic that break, you know. So I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes I be amazed by myself. Like, damn, I really did this shit. Like a symphony. What I'm supposed to do when he wrecks. What are y'all doing? Quick 120. Whenever I get home, I'm gonna show y'all what happened to the Charger, so y'all can kind of get a better understanding. This is definitely freezing cold. My hands, I can't even feel them. They numb at this point. believe I get to wake up and drive shit like this every day. Got a little loose. She get a little loose too. She get a little loosey too. Ooh, she get a little. Now that's a race car right there. I think I'm gonna turn the camera off here. I hope y'all enjoy this POV. I didn't find bro. I didn't get to find bro. And I didn't get to find bro in the Challenger again. Hate I missed my exit because we was cutting up bad. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this POV. If you're new, like, comment, subscribe. And thank y'all, man, so much for all the support. It means a lot. Shit.